Hello, kindred spirits and possibly spirits. This is Linda Smith Davis with New England Fine Living, and I would like to welcome you to view this 2018 Halloween party that my husband and I threw. I figured I'd put it together this year now that I had some time to create this video. So if you hear some saws going on in the background right now, I'm doing the voiceover while we have some more remodeling going on. And we had this party last year when we were also remodeling part of the house. We figured we'd stop. We just moved in here. We figured we'd stop and enjoy the season and have some friends over. And we also invited neighbors that we didn't know. But I have been having Halloween parties since I've been a baby. I'm an October 27th baby. And when we moved into this house that I'm showing you at 3 years old, I started having Halloween parties that were themes with, haunted house. This has the creepiest basement ever, and we always had parties up until after high school. This is the invitation that I sent off to friends, and you'll see in a minute I also did ring and run invitations, but I always ask our customers, our guests to come in costume, but if they don't, I do ask them to come in black cocktail attire, just so it's a little more festive. But I always have what I call the party pooper room. And that is for people who don't dress up and maybe they'll go in and find a costume. I've been collecting costumes since I've been little. So every year I have a party and then I throw the costume in the bin. It's kind of funny to see what some combinations that come out of the room. Here's one of the invitations for this year. Once again, ring and rung. I have a little spider there with a jewel and I tie it on our friend's door. So these following photos are just some of the setups that I had in my house. They're taken during the daytime because I didn't have time or make the time to do night times. And my husband caught a picture of me swiffering the floor. Our house decorated for Halloween on the outside. The night of the party was a nor'easter. So I'm glad I got these photos at the time.